Hey everyone, I just want to tell you really quick about everything my coaching offers, and yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right in. I'm basically going to offer 4 different options for you guys. We've got a 10-minute, and this is $10, 30-minute, and that is $20, and then 60 minutes, so 1 hour, and that is $35. And the higher you go, the better the value gets. And then, this is a lot cheaper than most coaching. Obviously, I'm slower than a lot of the other coaches, but sometimes that doesn't even matter because, I'll tell you about that later, but like the Chinese coaches, a lot of them are even slower than me, and look what they're producing. We've got 10, 30, 60. And then the last one, which is the most exciting, the ultimate 1 month coaching pack. This is across 4 weeks. We'll do a call once per week, and it'll be 30 minutes. And so it's basically 2 hours with me in 1 month spread across, and we'll basically just be going over everything about like how you can improve, making daily schedules, setting goals, all that stuff. I'll give you specific tips, and of course, like broad information, all sorts of stuff. That's $89, so under $90 for a whole month of personalized practice. And once a week, you'll get on a call with me for 30 minutes, and we'll just go over everything about your solving and how to improve it. And then, I'm going to go over some more stuff, but also I just wanted to say there's some exciting stuff coming for Velocity Studio. I've got some courses planned, finally. It's been quite a while without courses, but I've got a couple blurred out things here because it'll be a surprise, I guess. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm working on it right now. And so in these last few minutes, I'll just tell you about basically what I'm going to go over during our call. So, number one, I'm just going to want to get to know you as a person, right? And also as a cuber, obviously, because I want to know everything. I want to know how long you've been cubing. I want to know what method you use. I want to know what tricks you use, everything. Before the call, I'll want you to record 5 solves and just add the scrambles. And during the call, we'll go through each of the solves depending on how much time we have, and I'll basically just break them all down for you and show you like alternate ways that you can do different things and give you a bunch of tips and tricks along the way. Number 2, I'll probably ask you about how many competitions you go to and whether you get nerves or not. Nerves are the hardest thing about competitions by far, or at least for me, probably for a lot of people. If you can't handle your nerves, you can't get good averages. That's just how it goes. So, I have a lot of different techniques that I use to handle my nerves and to help me perform well in competition. So we'll go over those 2. I'll also make a daily schedule for you. I don't remember if I said this already, but I'll make a daily schedule so that from that point on you can basically have personalized practice, and that helps a ton. I've been doing that recently in the last month or so, and I've definitely seen like half a second of improvement in just that long. Which, if you're sub 10, half a second is quite a bit. I'm averaging probably like 8.7, 8.6-ish right now. So I'll give you a bunch of drills you can do, and every day you'll be doing about 50% time solves and 50% targeted practice. We'll kind of balance it out to that because that's a very healthy way to keep improving. The number one reason why you should choose me is probably the prices. I'm quite a bit cheaper than a lot of other coaches. You'll notice most of them are probably around $1 per minute, all the way up to like the 1 hour range. So it'd be like $60 per hour. So you might be wondering, well, I'm only sub 9, so how can I help you as much as the people who are faster? An analogy I like to use a lot is sports coaches. Are the coaches better than the players? No. Have they ever been? Maybe, but not really a good chance that they were. To be a coach, you really only have to understand how improvement works and just understand the topic overall, which In the last 6 months, I've been really diving deep into how improvement works. You've probably seen by the videos I make. I do research about this a lot, so uh, I believe I can help you improve. So if you ever do want me as a coach, then you can just email me and I'll send you an invoice with the set price. Yeah, just basically tell me how many sessions you want, what type of session, and yeah, I'll send you the invoice for it. This is basically just here in case anybody wants it. No pressure at all. If you ever do want coaching from me, it is here. So yeah, if you want to book a session, see you there.